Here's my pretty girls, my Dilly, and the gray one is Eve. Washing her cute little face. And over here, that is Pixie. Hi, Eve. You're such a pretty girl. And there's Jasmine sleeping in the corner. And look who was in the wheel. Goofy girl, get back in your wheel.